I could never like, replace or give away. I mean, I'm so thankful to be in this position right now. Papasalamat ako kay Boss Luceto, Coach Jeff, Coach Ryan, and Coach Norman for giving me this opportunity.
Ikaw naman since, di ba syempre, gold medalist obstacle course, pero wala ngayon yung event to yun. So ano lang yung sabi?
I'm so proud of him. It's his first SEA Games and we're so excited to watch him. I know how hard he's been working for this, so we're all super proud of him.
Talagang yung support mo kahit wala kang SEA Games ngayon.
Yes.
Support ka. So,
Yes.
meron din pang panghihinahin na maganda sana if ever na dalawa kayong compete.
Yes, actually sayang nga because I was supposed to be competing SEA Games, not for obstacles, but I also qualified for climbing. So sana climbing yung SEA Games ko this year, but then unfortunately I'm injured. So now we went all the way here just to support him, and I'm also supporting my sister because she's competing in the SEA Games for fencing. Yes.
Ano din?
Her name is Kaikaku de la Serna.
Ano yung injury?
I have a torn labrum. So, nagpa-surgery ako last month.
Okay.